by Girl Scout Troop 2091, I believe, right?
Yes.
What do we have going on, ladies?
We've got cookies, and we're going to start out with a cookie song.
Ooh.
Ready? I don't know what I've been told.
I don't know what I've been told.
All Girl Scouts are as good as gold.
All Girl Scouts are as good as gold.
I am one, and I say it's true.
I am one, and I say it's true.
Scouting's great for me and you.
Scouting's great for me and you.
Sound off.
1, 2,
Take it on down.
3, 4.
Bring it on down.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I like it. Way to go, ladies.
I think we have cookie trays and cookie boxes and a glass of milk for you, Miss
Oh, look
Cynthia.
at this. I love milk. You have to love milk, and you have to have it with cookies, too, right?
Most definitely.
So you guys are selling cookies now? Is it that time?
It
Yes.
is.
Everyone loves Girl Scout cookies. You got the Thin Mints out here?
We do.
That's where it's at.
Our nice green box here.
Absolutely. Wow.
So, ladies, what do we tell Miss Cynthia? This is what?
Lisa. Cynthia's in there.
Oh, Lisa,
Yes,
sorry.
That's okay.
Sorry.
That's all right.
What is this, girls?
It's National Cookie Day.
Oh, it is. I didn't know that.
And all of this is what?
A special gift from Troop 2091.
Well, thank you guys. That is really sweet of you. I'm pretty happy about that. Some people behind the camera is probably pretty excited about all this.
We're excited. The girls are already out selling and have been selling for a while. Miss Erin is their troop leader. I'm actually Lynn. I work with the council. So,
Okay, awesome.
I'm their council representative. We have Miss Colleen here today, who's our Girl Scout, shout out Girl Scout today.
Nice.
So-
How do you ladies love Girl Scouts? A lot of fun. I see a lot of badges out here, a lot of pins. Nice. Exactly. Well, awesome. Thank you guys so much for stopping by.
Thank you.
Thank you for dropping off the cookies, too.
You are welcome.
Awesome.
Enjoy them. Enjoy them. And Colleen, do you want to tell them about our new flavor this year? Point out the pink box.
This one,
And can you
Ooh.
read her the title of that cookie?
Cranberry Circus Crisps.
Cranberry Citrus Crisp. So we have our oldies but goodies and our new
A new one, too. I'm excited. Going to have to try that one. Awesome. Well, thank you so much for stopping by, ladies, and thank you for the
Thank you.
cookies. We'll send it on over to Cynthia.
All right, Lisa.